Sweat Wallet Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? In the ever-evolving world of digital wallets and mobile finance, Sweat Wallet has emerged as a unique contender, promising to combine fitness, lifestyle, and financial rewards in one seamless platform. It's grabbing attention in 2025, but the big question is it truly worth your time and money, or is it better left untouched? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know: features, rewards, usability, potential drawbacks, and whether Sweat Wallet is the right choice for you. Let's start with the basics. Sweat Wallet is a mobile app that functions as a digital wallet, but it's unlike your typical banking or payment app. It's designed to incentivize activity, wellness, and spending habits by offering rewards that can be redeemed as cash, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. Essentially, Sweat Wallet turns your lifestyle choices like walking, running, or completing fitness challenges into tangible financial value. But as with any innovative platform, the details matter, and not every claim may translate into real-world benefits. One of the first things most people misunderstand about Sweat Wallet is its reward system. Unlike standard cashback wallets, Sweat Wallet ties earnings to both your financial activity and personal habits. For instance, completing daily fitness goals, tracking steps, or engaging in partner challenges can earn you Sweat coins or equivalent credits. You can also earn rewards through regular spending, bill payments, or subscriptions linked to your wallet. The surprising truth is that while this gamified approach is engaging, the actual monetary value of rewards can fluctuate and may take some time to accumulate into something meaningful. Let's break down the core features. First, the fitness integration. Sweat Wallet pairs with your phone's health apps or wearable devices to track physical activity. Every step, workout, or wellness milestone can generate rewards. For example, if you consistently hit 10,000 steps daily, you might earn a set amount of Sweat coins weekly. These coins can then be converted into cash, gift cards, or cryptocurrency, depending on the options available in 2025. This unique combination of fitness and finance encourages healthier habits, while simultaneously creating financial incentives. Next is the payment functionality. Sweat Wallet functions like a digital bank or payment app. You can link your debit or credit cards, pay bills, send money to friends, and even shop online through integrated partners. Spending through the app often comes with bonus rewards, creating a double incentive. Earn through lifestyle activity and everyday transactions. For instance, buying a coffee or groceries, using Sweat Wallet might give you points that complement your fitness rewards, effectively turning your daily routine into a multi-layered reward system. Another key feature is the integration with cryptocurrencies. In 2025, Sweat Wallet allows users to convert some of their Sweat coins into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported digital assets. This is part of a broader trend where lifestyle apps are merging with financial technology to offer investment opportunities. It's a clever way to appeal to younger, tech-savvy users who are comfortable with digital currencies. However, the flip side is that cryptocurrency value is volatile, so rewards converted this way carry a degree of risk. Unlike traditional cash rewards, security and privacy are essential considerations. Sweat Wallet uses standard encryption, two-factor authentication, and device verification to protect your financial data. However, because it integrates fitness tracking and lifestyle data, it's important to understand the extent of data sharing. Sweat Wallet collects activity, location, and spending data to calculate rewards accurately. And while this is generally anonymized, users should always review privacy policies carefully. In 2025, digital wallets that blend lifestyle tracking with financial transactions must maintain rigorous security protocols, and Sweat Wallet has taken steps in that direction. Customer experience is another point worth exploring. Sweat Wallet's app is designed for a smooth, gamified experience. The interface shows your activity progress, reward balances, and spending history in a clean, user-friendly layout. Daily challenges, streaks, and social elements like leaderboards create motivation and a sense of community. Many users find this engaging, as it blends personal goals with tangible incentives. However, some report that achieving significant rewards requires consistent, sometimes demanding effort. Unlike traditional cashback apps, passive spending alone may not yield substantial earnings. Now let's examine a hypothetical example to illustrate how Sweat Wallet works in practice. Consider Sarah, a 30-year-old professional who walks an average of 8,000 steps daily and spends around $1,500 monthly on groceries, dining, and subscriptions. By linking her fitness tracker and spending accounts to Sweat Wallet, she earns Sweat coins both through physical activity and daily spending. Over a few months, her accumulated rewards could convert into a $50, $100 value in cash, gift cards, or crypto. While this may seem modest, the psychological boost of seeing tangible benefits from healthy habits can be significant. The key is understanding that Sweat Wallet rewards are incremental, not instant riches. Fees and costs are another consideration. Sweat Wallet is generally free to download and use, but premium features or accelerated rewards may require a subscription or in-app purchases. For example, a gold tier might double your earning potential or unlock additional crypto conversion options. It's important to weigh these costs against your typical activity and spending to determine whether a premium tier is financially worthwhile. Many users can earn meaningful rewards without paying, but for high earners or frequent users, premium tiers can offer tangible benefits. Let's also discuss some of the limitations. First, redemption options may vary based on location and time, and some rewards require a minimum balance before conversion. Second, while fitness tracking is a core feature, not all wearable devices sync perfectly, which could lead to missed rewards or discrepancies. Third, crypto rewards, while exciting, introduce risk. As mentioned earlier, users should be comfortable with fluctuating value and be aware of potential tax implications when converting digital assets into cash or spending them. In addition to individual use, Sweat Wallet has explored partnerships with businesses. Certain retailers, gyms, or wellness providers offer bonus rewards for spending through the app or completing branded challenges. This opens opportunities for targeted promotions, discounts, and exclusive perks. For users who engage with these partners regularly, Sweat Wallet can enhance both financial and lifestyle benefits. However, if you rarely shop with partnered merchants, some of these bonuses may not apply, which could limit overall reward potential. Let's talk about usability and convenience. The app supports instant notifications, digital wallets, and QR code payments for in-store transactions. Sending money to friends, splitting bills, or paying subscriptions is straightforward with a few taps. For people who already use mobile payment systems, the transition to Sweat Wallet is relatively seamless. The added layer of fitness and lifestyle rewards makes it more engaging, but also requires active participation. Unlike traditional wallets, passive use won't maximize earning potential. Another crucial point is long-term sustainability. Sweat Wallet's model relies on partnerships, subscription tiers, and active engagement to provide rewards. As with any app-based ecosystem, the platform's success depends on maintaining user interest and merchant relationships. In 2025, digital wallets that tie rewards to lifestyle behaviors are gaining popularity, but market competition is fierce. Users should be aware that app features, reward rates, or partnerships may change over time, which could affect expected earnings. So, is Sweat Wallet worth it in 2025? The answer depends on your priorities. If you value gamified incentives, enjoy tracking your fitness, and want to earn incremental rewards from daily activity and spending, Sweat Wallet can be a fun and rewarding companion. It's particularly appealing for health-conscious, tech-savvy users who want to integrate financial and wellness goals. On the other hand, if you prefer straightforward cashback, minimal effort, or guaranteed returns, traditional wallets or credit cards may provide more reliable value. To summarize, Sweat Wallet offers a unique blend of fitness tracking, lifestyle incentives, financial rewards, and crypto integration. Its strengths include gamified engagement, seamless app functionality, and multiple reward streams. Drawbacks include incremental earnings, potential subscription costs, crypto volatility, and reliance on consistent user activity. The card's appeal is strongest for users who enjoy active engagement, gamification, and blending wellness with finance, rather than those seeking purely passive rewards. In conclusion, Sweat Wallet is not just a digital wallet, it's a lifestyle platform that rewards activity, spending, and engagement. By 2025, it represents an innovative approach to personal finance, merging health, technology, and rewards in a single app. If you're ready to turn your steps, workouts, and daily transactions into tangible benefits, Sweat Wallet is worth exploring. If you prefer simplicity, predictability, or guaranteed cash rewards, it may be better to leave it and stick with more traditional options. Ultimately, Sweat Wallet is a tool for those willing to engage actively with both their lifestyle and finances, turning everyday habits into potential rewards in a way that's both motivating and forward-thinking.